So, we have now been sharing trades at Telegram, YouTube, everywhere basically, with a video snip where I show the trade I'm taking. It's more in a short format videos where I show the trade and everything, and you can copy my trade live. So, if you want to do that, you find link below the video to the broker that I'm using. So you can get started today. You will find broker for United States, you find broker for Norway, you find broker for the rest of the world. So you have everything to get started today. Also you'll find link to Telegram channel if you want to take the trades from there. But also the trades is actually here at YouTube also in short format. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on this bell notification, so when I put up this short video you get a notification so you can take the trade that I am taking. Because yes, I am here enjoying myself at the beach, but we are making money. I have now been sharing my trades for basically a little less than 2 weeks. Have been all the time been here at the beach, and I have made now 21% profit. I started with $1,000 account, and the account now is $1,210-ish. And if you have taken the trades like I have, you would have had that profit also. We now have a trade going on right now, and it's running in profit. It's dollar against euro, or euro against dollar. So you can check out my short videos and you will find it there. But make sure you turn the bell notification so you can follow these trades. And also, of course, below the video you find link to the brokers that I'm using. I appreciate if you use these brokers, because I will then make a percent out of the fees that you're opening with, right? So make sure you use that links because you help me tremendously. I'm doing a lot of research to take the trades using my knowledge of 20 years trading Forex. So you can just copy what I'm doing. So I really appreciate if you use one of my links. If you're using a broker from before, close it down, whatever, and open with one of the ones I have, so I can make something from your trades, because it's the way I make money, okay? And of course, you will make money also. Don't need to be stressing about the trading. Or if you want to, of course, every single broker that you find, they have their own copy trading systems. You can copy other people also. So you also can enjoy yourself at the beach like I am, and basically just copy. So you can either copy me manually or you can copy other people, of course. So if you find that interesting, make sure you make a comment on this video. I appreciate when you do that. And like this video, of course, because then more people will see it and it's more fun for me to make things like this. So I see that I get some more views on my videos, because I have been away for a little while, and it's taking a little moment again to activate my YouTube channel, so I start to get the views that I feel my channel deserve. So let's see if we can start to get some 1,000 views on my videos again. That would be nice. Help me out. You help me out by liking this video, share it with your friends, and also of course make some comments. And of course, for the ones now that are looking the video as far as this, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Make a comment and tell me that you did see it this far, because I really appreciate what you're doing. And lastly, like you will see when you use the link below the video, I will give away all the Forex robots that I have made through all my lifetime of 20 years trading. Completely for free. The only thing I want you to do is to open with one of my links, of course. Make a deposit of 500. This shows me that you are serious. I will give you all my Forex robots completely for free. Just contact me in Telegram and I will give it for you completely for free. Have an amazing day.